Today we celebrate an automotive icon, the 1955 Volkswagen Beetle. In 2025, this beloved Type 1 turns 70 years old. It isn't just a car, it's a symbol of design ingenuity and an era when America was booming with new ideas. In 1955, while the Beetle was quietly rolling off assembly lines in Germany, major cultural and social events were transforming the United States. The 1955 Beetle was built with a focus on simplicity and reliability. Here are the key facts. The car featured a rear-mounted air-cooled 1.2-liter flat-4 engine, which is about 1,192 cc. It produced 36 horsepower at around 3,700 RPM. This modest power matched its lightweight design, making it, well, quite economical to run. With a wheelbase of 94.5 inches, a length of 160.2 inches, a width of 60.6 inches, and a height of 59.1 inches, the Beetle was compact yet surprisingly spacious inside. It weighed around 1,600 pounds, which contributed to its nimble handling. By 1955, Volkswagen had already moved away from the earlier split rear window design. The 1955 model sported a classic, smooth, single oval rear window that became part of its instantly recognizable look. Additionally, traditional semaphore-style turn signals were replaced by modern flashing indicators for the North American market. These engineering choices provided a durable, low-maintenance car that was easy for almost anyone to repair, a key selling point for owners then and now. After World War II, Volkswagen restarted production and began exporting the Beetle worldwide. In 1955, the car was beginning to capture the hearts of American drivers. That same year, Volkswagen of America opened its first dealership in Englewood, New Jersey, introducing U.S. buyers to an affordable, reliable alternative during an era when large, powerful domestic vehicles dominated the roads. While the Beetle quietly built its reputation overseas, 1955 in the U.S. was a year of significant change. The nation was embracing new sounds, with rock and roll on the rise, and cinematic milestones were being set. Iconic films and popular TV shows began redefining American entertainment. This was the year when events that would later galvanize the civil rights movement were unfolding. For example, the tragic murder of Emmett Till in August 1955 and its subsequent media coverage cast a long shadow over the nation and eventually spurred demands for social justice. The post-war economic surge meant more American families could afford a car. The Beetle's low price, around $1,500 when new, made it an attractive option, offering practicality and efficiency amidst a rapidly modernizing America. The convergence of these trends helped set the stage for the Beetle's growing popularity as more Americans sought vehicles that were economical, reliable, and carried a touch of European charm. Over the next several decades, the Beetle would become one of the most produced and well-loved cars in the world, selling over 21 million units. Its robust design, ease of repair, and distinctive style not only left a mark on automotive history, but also became a part of American culture. Whether seen on city streets, in drive-in theaters, or even on college campuses, the Beetle epitomized practicality with personality. The 1955 Volkswagen Beetle is a testament to smart engineering and enduring style. In a year of dramatic social change and economic growth in the United States, it stood out as an affordable, reliable, and uniquely designed vehicle that would go on to capture hearts around the globe. As we celebrate its 70th anniversary in 2025, we remember both its technical brilliance and its role in a transformative era in American history.